Hello students, I Prabhat Sharma welcome you all in class 11th. I will today tell you about the syllabus of accountancy. Accountancy consists with the code of 055 and this theory paper is with for the 80 marks and the project work is related with 20 marks. So theory paper is divided into two parts, part A Financial Accounting 1, Part B, Financial Accounting 2. Part A, Financial Accounting 1, having two units. Unit 1, Theoretical Framework, in which introductions of accounting, basic terms, theory base of accounting will be included. In Unit 2, Accounting Process, recording of business transaction, bank reconciliation statement, depreciations, provision and reserves, accounting for bills of exchange, trial balance, rectifications of errors are included. So Unit 1 having 12 marks, Unit 2 having 40 marks. So total A parts having 52 marks out of 80. Now I am moving to the part B, Financial Accounting Part 2. This unit also divided into two parts. So part 3 and 4. Unit 3rd, financial statement of non-profit organization, statement of sole proprietorships and the complete and incomplete records related with the 20 marks. And computer in accounting having 8 marks. So total marks goes to part B 28. So part A with the 52 marks, part B with the 28 marks. So total marks of theory paper goes to 80 marks. Part 3, part 3 means part C, that is related to your project work having 20 marks. So student, you should try to understand the theory papers having only two parts for the whole years and the time period related with 3 hours and the marks 80. And now I'm moving to the next typology of the, or you may say the design of the question paper. The paper will be consisting with the categorizations of very short answer 1, short answers 2, long answer 1, long answers 2. Very short answers having 1 marks and the number of questions are 20. So total marks remain 20. Essay 1 having 3 marks, number of questions are 2. So total marks remain 6. Essay 2, that means 4 marks questions, number of questions are 5, then total goes to 20. Long answers 1 having 6 marks, number of questions are 3, total marks 18. Long answers 2, total marks related with the 16, in which having 2 number of questions of 8 marks. All the questions except then 1 marks question having the internal choice. So this is the introductions of your syllabus.